Hello friends, welcome to this session. In this session we are going to discuss on Gnu Screen Utility. This utility is very handy for system admins and developers. To begin with, I will discuss a little bit about this utility. The Gnu Screen Utility is a command line window manager which allows to organize and work with multiple shell sessions in a very powerful way. Using this utility, you can open multiple shell windows from a single SSH session. You can keep your shell safe by locking your session whenever you want. You can keep your shell active even though there are network disruptions. You can disconnect and reconnect to a shell session whenever you need. Or in case you want to share your CLI or SSH session with someone who is sitting remote, you can simply do that by using this utility. That's very easy. In case you are running a long process without maintaining your active shell session, you can achieve that by using Screen Utility. So friends, to install this utility, that depends upon your OS type or OS version. So in Linux, whether that is Red Hat 5, 6, 7, simply do yum install screen. If you are running on Solaris, you can run pkg install screen. So that's simple. To start that utility, friends, simply type screen, press enter. If you want to list out what are the active screen sessions, simply do screen followed by -ls, which is listing. If you want to connect to a non-detached matlab session which is attached, and you want to attach to same session from remote, then simply do screen -x then session ID. So friends, this particular attached to a non-detached screen session, that is very handy when you are working with your colleagues who are sitting some different location. Let's say one guy is working in Paris, one guy is working in India. So if they want to see what you are typing or you want to see what he is typing, so you can connect to same screen session. So that's very handy, and generally I use it. So I really love this feature, and I have listed couple of screen tips. So Control A followed by C, it will open a new screen session. Multiple time if you press Control A C, then it will open those many sessions. If you want to navigate between sessions, simply do Control A and N is for next session. And next thing, friends, I have listed it twice, ignore that. Then if you want to log your session, whatever you are doing in that session, if you want a log file of all the activity, that is very handy. If you want to keep a note what changes you have done, which file you have modified, what steps you followed, so you can simply do by Control A followed by H. And if you want to lock your screen, let's say during your activity you are going on a break, you want to lock only your putty session, so simply do Control A followed by X, that will lock your session. So friends, let's begin on technical session where I will explain all these utilities, how to use it. Okay friends, so this is my Linux machine running CentOS 6. So as I said, process will be similar on even you're running Red Hat 7 or Red Hat 5. So simply check whether Screen Utility is already installed or not. So package name is Screen, sorry. So as of now Screen is not installed. To install it, simply do yum install -y followed by package name, and package name is Screen. This machine is connected to CentOS repository, so it will grab package from default repo. Okay friends, so package is installed. As I said, to start Screen Utility, you have to type screen, enter. And friends, if you notice, this is only single putty session, single SSH session, you can say. There are no multiple sessions. So first thing which I said, if you want to open multiple sessions, so simply here I am typing Control A followed by C. Okay, this is first session. Let me echo one thing, echo this is first session. Okay, so I'm opening new session. I'm again pressing Control A C, and I am just typing echo. This is second session. Okay, so friends, now see, I got two sessions open, and I will press Control A followed by N. N is to navigate between screens. Control A N. If you see, this is the first one, which is the base session which we opened. Now I am doing again Control N. See, now we got, this is first session, Control A N, this is second session. So friends, this is the benefit of using this utility. Let's say you are a system admin, you are doing some patching activity. In one window you have started patching and you want to verify log. What you can do, you can open multiple putty sessions. Why to do that? Just simply use Screen Utility, and by using this utility, in other session you can see your or monitor your log file. Well, let me give you one example here. On this session I am running top command. Okay, Control A and I'm going to next session. Here I am running df-h, Control A and here I am running date command. So see how easy it is. And I'm just switching between sessions. Now I want to see this one, Control A and second session. So friends, that's very easy and very helpful. Other thing I told, if you want to lock your session, so to lock it, simply Control A followed by X. If you see, this session is locked now, this shell session. If someone comes to your screen, he can't unlock it until he supply password. So right now this session was launched by root. In case your user is non-root, you have to supply whatever password that user got. So this is my root password. In my case, I'm just typing my root password, and shell session is unlocked. That's another benefit. Third benefit, which is very handy benefit, if you want to keep a log of all the activities which are going. So to do that, friends, simply type Control A followed by H, and it will create a file, log file in your directory where you did it. If you see, this is the file which just created. Size is 0 as of now, screenlog.0. Let's say I'm running these commands, ntpq-p. I'm just typing couple of commands, df-h, if config -a, and let's verify the size of the file now. If you see, size is getting increased, and if you want to see what's the data inside this file, let's do detail -10 to this particular file. If you see, these last 10 entries got this particular data. So that's a benefit, friends. All the logs are in this file. Next thing, friends, I told this utility can be handy if you are working on a remote support model. What it mean? Let me open one more session, or let me change the size of this session so I can explain it better. So now, friends, if you see, we got two sessions now on same server. Okay, this is session. This is putty session 1, putty session 2. Let's say the above one is user who is working from Paris, and below session user working from India. So if you want to share the session with them, to check what the screen session ID or how many sessions active, simply type screen followed by ls. This is the screen session ID. Ask remote user to connect screen on same server. Friends, this is same server, so both user will be on same server, but they will be sharing screen using this screen utility. They will be not using any graphical screen sharing, let's say using WebEx kind of thing, or using Skype or Link. So that's a normal screen sharing. So here, to connect it remotely to that session, screen followed by -x, then session ID. Sorry, friends, session ID is this one. Press enter. So now this user is connected, and if you see, session is attached. Now let me show you. See, whatever I am typing on above screen, that is appearing in below. If I am running ifconfig on first one, it is appearing. And let's say your remote user want to type something. If he types ifconfig -a or df-h, that will appear on other sessions. So friends, it means both sessions are connected. How it can be handy, let's say you are doing some activity and you want to give KT to your counterparts. So you can run screen utility at your end, ask your counterparts to connect using screen -x and session ID. In that way they can see what you are doing, and in case your counterparts are doing some activity, you can watch it using screen utility. So friends, these are the benefits of this utility, and I believe it will help you. In case you have any doubt or any suggestion, you can leave a comment on my YouTube channel, and happy learning friends. Thanks. Bye bye.